Hey everybody, Ross Cerrota here, Recall Technologies. I don't know what's going on. For some reason, we're doing 1 million office moves now. I mean, I have an idea. I think people are downsizing. People are work from home. I think maybe I've talked to a couple of law firms. A couple of people are having a problem getting people back into the office. I get it. So we're doing a ton of office moves now. We probably have 7 this month and another 13 coming up. What's happening is I wanted to do a video or a series of videos on things to consider. When you're a client of Recall, we handle it all. We call your internet vendor, we deal with the moving company, we box up all your stuff, we set it all up, we move the network, all that stuff. But you might not be a client of Recall and you might have to manage all this stuff yourself. So I want to do a video or a couple of videos explaining a couple of things that really make these office moves a lot more smooth. So the first thing is obviously working with an IT company that'll do all this stuff for you, but if you don't, then one thing that makes an office move really easy, and it used to not because we didn't work with certain VoIP providers, is having a VoIP system. So we're in the process right now of dealing with one office move. They have an old style PBX. It's in their server room. It's like one of these big boxes on the wall, hooks up to special phones, not like a regular VoIP phone. And every time you move an office, you have to rerun lines for this phone system, and you also have to get the phone guy to rip out the PBX and reinstall the PBX. This is ancient history type stuff. We don't deal with that anymore. VoIP systems will work over the internet. Literally, you call Verizon, you call Comcast, or Cablevision, or wherever your provider is, and as long as you got internet, you will have phones. You have to pay someone to rip something out and plug it in. You literally take your phone, you put it over here, you plug it in, and it works. So one thing with office moves, a lot of our clients, if they have old PBX systems, they move to VoIP to avoid $2,000 or a $4,000 project from the voice company to send someone out to rip all this hardware out and reinstall it. So you could save money. Vonage Business is something that we work with. You need someone to set it up and configure it. If you're tech savvy, you could probably do it yourself. But if you're moving offices and you have an old style PBX, I would not even consider moving it. I would consider switching to a VoIP provider, specifically Vonage Business. I mean, the pricing is getting ridiculous. We're talking about $20 per user per line. I think Fred just got somebody $17 per user per line. It is extremely low, unlimited extensions, and it will do everything and more that your old PBX will do. The only thing it will add is a monthly bill, whereas your PBX you probably paid once and you're done. But the versatility, office calls to your cell phone, voicemail to email, an automated attendant, customizable stuff from a very easy dashboard online. Office moves are the time where our law firms change to VoIP systems. And if you have an office move right now, I would consider that. If you have any questions about this or anything else, you can reach us at www.recalltech.com. I'm Ross Cerrota at Recall Technologies, and I'll see you next time.